Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact media and metadata the model needs. Place 1080p video, lossless audio, and high-res images into clear folders so the system can batch ingest them. Once done, label files with dates and version numbers so retraining or rollback is straightforward. Make sure to check license terms and mark any restricted clips. This prevents legal issues later. You'll minimize wasted cycles and speed up training by preparing clean, correctly labeled inputs before you touch the AI controls. You now build the processing pipeline and select the right model for your goal. Pick a lightweight model for quick iterations and a larger model for final quality. Configure learning rate, epochs, and batch size to balance speed versus fidelity, and enable targeted augmentations like color matching or noise reduction. Once configured, run a low-cost preview at around 10% quality to validate framing, pacing, and tone. This step saves time by catching style mismatches and helps you refine parameters before full renders. You finish by rendering the final deliverable with your target codec, bitrate, and resolution. Export a master and a distribution copy. Then perform a /b checks comparing the original against the AI-processed version to ensure color, audio sync, and intent remain intact. If something goes wrong, log the issue, adjust a single parameter or swap problematic clips, and reprocess only those segments to save time. A key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts appear, reduce augmentation intensity and rerun a focus test to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.